Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly, delicious, quick and easy recipes. Your support is very much appreciated. Ready for a treat? Today, we're diving into a classic, creamy, dreamy rice pudding. Don't worry, it's super easy. Even if you're a beginner cook, you've got this. We're gonna have so much fun whipping up this comforting dessert. My mama taught me this recipe. It's the perfect blend of simple and delicious. I added a few of my own twists. Get ready for a flavor explosion, so grab your aprons and let's get started. This recipe is about to become your new favorite, trust me. Okay, let's round up those ingredients. We're about to embark on a delicious journey to make the creamiest, most comforting rice pudding you've ever tasted. You'll be amazed at how simple they are. No fancy ingredients here, just good old-fashioned pantry staples. You probably have most of them in your pantry already. Let's take a look at what you'll need. 1 cup white rice. I like to use short grain, but any kind works. Rice is the star of our dish, providing that perfect texture. 4 cups milk. Whole milk makes it extra creamy, but you can use whatever you have. Milk is what gives our pudding its rich, velvety base. 1/2 cup of sugar. Adjust this to your liking, sweetness is personal. Sugar adds that delightful sweetness we all crave. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch to bring out all the flavors. Salt enhances the overall taste, making everything pop. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the secret ingredient for that warm, cozy taste. Vanilla adds a lovely aromatic touch. Optional toppings: cinnamon, nutmeg, raisins, fresh fruit. Go wild. These toppings let you customize your pudding to your heart's content. See? Easy peasy. Now that we've got everything we need, let's get cooking. With all our ingredients prepped and ready, we're set to create a dessert that's both nostalgic and utterly delicious. All right, let's turn those simple ingredients into a pot of pure deliciousness. First, rinse the rice thoroughly. Give your rice a good rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial for removing any excess starch. This gets rid of excess starch and makes your pudding extra creamy. You want to make sure every grain is well rinsed. Next, combine everything in a pot. Gather your rinsed rice, milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add your rinsed rice, milk, sugar, and salt to a large pot. Make sure to use a pot with enough room for the rice to expand. Give it a good stir to make sure everything is well combined. Then, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and keep stirring. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. You'll know it's ready when the rice is nice and tender and the pudding has thickened to a creamy consistency. Finally, stir in the vanilla. This is the secret ingredient that adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. Once your pudding is cooked to perfection, stir in that teaspoon of vanilla extract. It really elevates the dish. It adds a lovely warm flavor that takes the pudding to the next level. Enjoy your delicious homemade rice pudding. Congratulations, you did it. You've successfully made a delightful treat that everyone will love. You've made the most delicious and comforting rice pudding. It's creamy, rich, and absolutely irresistible. Now, for the best part, dig in. Savor each spoonful and enjoy the creamy texture. You can enjoy it warm, straight from the pot, or let it cool for a bit. I love mine chilled. The choice is yours. Don't forget to top it off. Toppings add an extra layer of flavor and fun. A sprinkle of cinnamon is a classic, giving it a warm and cozy touch. But you can get creative. Try adding different toppings to suit your taste. Fresh berries add a tangy twist, making each bite refreshing and delightful, while chopped nuts bring some crunch. They add a nice contrast to the creamy pudding. It's your rice pudding party. Gather everyone around and enjoy together. Make a big batch and share the love with your family and friends. It's perfect for any occasion. Trust me for the recipe. Happy cooking and enjoy every bite.